I wanted to get on the big rock. I really
On the
wanted
big
to get
rock?
On the big rock.
Do you reckon you can do it?
Not with the phone in your hand and not with a bag on your back. Don't do it with the phone in your hand, please.
Yeah.
It looks so easy, but the rocks are so slippery.
Okay, I'll let you hold that.
No, don't pass it over the water. Oh my god.
It's waterproof.
Oh, it's waterproof. Please be careful, Mr. Tarek. I don't advise this. Well, you've had practice at this before. Yeah, now you got to jump. You see what I mean? Yes, it is very slippery. It's not advised. You have to squat back down and pivot. Don't trust the wood. Never trust the wood. How many movies have you seen where the wood breaks? You got to squat and pivot and turn around and come back home. Okay? Go on then, G. Wait, get your hands higher up. There's grip in the... Yeah, that's it. Use the grip. Recklessness or bravery, the man is on the big rock. Bazinga! The man is stuck on the big rock. Pendulum, come on down to the other side. Good job, Mr. T. Good job. Peace.